Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Methanol, CH3OH, is a simple aliphatic alcohol, while phenol, PHO, is an aromatic alcohol with distinctly different chemical properties due to the resonance stabilization of the phenoxide ion. We need to identify which tests can distinguish between the two. Moving on to the next step. Phenol is acidic enough, pK-10, to turn blue litmus red because the phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance with the aromatic ring. Methanol is essentially neutral and does not turn blue litmus red. Therefore, the litmus test can differentiate between methanol and phenol. Moving on to the next step. Phenol gives a characteristic violet-purple coloration with FeCl3 solution due to formation of a complex, Fe-OPH, 6,3. Methanol does not give any color with FeCl3. Therefore, FeCl3 test can differentiate between methanol and phenol. And for the final step, phenol undergoes electrophilic aromatic substitution readily. It reacts with bromine water to give a white precipitate of 2,4,6-tribromophenol and decolorizes bromine water. Methanol does not react with bromine water under normal conditions. Therefore, Br2H2O test can differentiate between methanol and phenol. All three tests, litmus test, FeCl3, and Br2H2O, are individually capable of differentiating methanol from phenol. Hence, the answer is all of these. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.